I got these Greasable trailer shackles and bolts. Got this trailer here, and these things just always wear out, especially these little tabs right here. They always wear out right here, and then they pull through, and these break off. This looks like a pretty cool kit. See how hard it is to install. Should be pretty easy, but it comes with the 3 bolts for here, 1 for here, 1 at the front of the leaf spring and 1 at the back of the leaf spring. It has a grease fitting with pivots there. Just got a replacement for this piece with some brass inserts, and then it's got the shackles, 2 sets here. Pretty cool. It's got these brass fittings in here that spin. You can see these are 4 times thicker than these, than the Greasable bolt, so it gets grease on the inside of here. So when you're pivoting, put a lot of miles on a trailer, these really wear out. This should help that. So this is the whole kit right here. These 2, the hanger and the bolt. This is for one side, so it comes with 2 sides, and I think I got this for like 60 or 70 bucks. So if it all goes on and fits good, it'd be well worth it. So see how this goes. All right, so getting this apart, this is why I'm doing this. Here's what these end up looking like. They get, you can't even get them off. They get elongated over time, and they just keep pulling through, and then eventually this end down here breaks through and your spring falls down. And then also you can see these, I even replaced these not very long ago. These little plastic inserts, those have just maybe 1,000 miles on them, and they wear out. So this new kit has the brass bushings, so I think that'll work a lot better. So let me finish getting this the rest of the way apart. Okay, so these plastic inserts I was showing you right here that wear out, I replaced these not too long ago. I didn't replace these at the same time, and here's what they end up looking like. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. I'm into my old shop. You can see they just wear all the way through. Now then after that, obviously everything just starts to wear out. So in place of that, here's the brass bushing. That just tapped right. It was tight, but it tapped right in. So that should work good. Okay, got it all installed. All went in super easy. Couple of the brass bushings that go in place of the plastic ones, I just tap them in just a little bit with a hammer, but it's good. They were snug. The bolts all went right through. I got them all greased up. So you can see it gets the grease down in the middle. So hoping this will keep them from wearing out. And I hate it when a trailer is squeaky. This old one seemed like they would always squeak. I think this might reduce or eliminate that. So I'll try to put an update after I use the trailer and see how it goes. Okay, I got it all installed. It was pretty easy. Couple times I had to get a pry bar and a floor jack and move the springs around a little bit to get everything together. But here's what we got. There. So looks like they'll work really good.